Alright people, it is inscription, I can't even say it, inscription time. I'll take you through what goes on in the pain in the next hour. Signing all these forms, checking GPSs, checking all the emergency equipment, signing your life away. Ready for the race, let's go. Alright, that's the inscription all done. Back over to the workshop now to put some stickers on my bike and get ready for tomorrow. Let's go. Right, quick ride this morning and then media day this afternoon in the full kit, and we've got to scooter it to the workshop. Should be entertaining. First ride on the race bike. Just get some gear on and we'll go for a cruisy ride, test out some stuff, maybe alter some settings. Nothing much really, not at my level. Just enjoy it, have fun with the boys, and yeah, let's go and see what this side of the mountains are like. Alright, out this morning on a training loop. So close. That was third, maybe I should try fourth.
I made it.
Go Matthias!
Cat for victory of Romaniacs is pretty obvious. There is no rain until the finish of the rally, so please take care of yourself. Wear sunscreen, take your sunglasses.
Well done, Andy, well done!
And not only because of the amounts of racing that we will be having within that of Romania, just like we have it.
Go Chris!
Revolución Bikes Beta din Guatemala. Vine Chris Wyman din Australia.
How's your knee feeling?
Yeah, 90%.
Yeah?
Nothing's 100%.
Hot year though, isn't it?
A couple of laps on that.
Yeah, I know, it's boiling. Alright, that's it for the media day and a bit of a play around, testing the bike out for the Prologue. Silver class go out tomorrow 7:30 and then that's straight after. So yeah, I'll catch you all on Prologue day. See ya.